Hi everybody, I wanted to walk you quickly through the Robo user guide that we put together here at AOP Tech. Now you can access this guide, I'll put a link to it in the comments below. It's also available at this bit.ly/AOP Robo. Of course, this is case sensitive. So these are just bookmarks to jump quickly through. Now certainly if you're an AOP user of our STEM lending library, we do ask that you install the software prior to your reservation. That way it avoids any issues when you actually have the printer at your school. So just to quickly take you through this, I have a link to the Robo page directly where you can get the correct software. Remember, we're looking for R2 and C2. Remembering that the printing is a trial and error process. Not every print job will print correctly. This is part of really what's called the engineering design process. I provided a link to explain a little bit about that. Now, Cura is a slicing program. There are other slicing programs out there. An alternative one that is very powerful is AstroPrint Free. So really helpful. Both programs allow you to resize, orient, modify, and change and maximize the use of your build plate so you're getting the most out of the printer. If you're looking for pre-made objects, whether they be a woolly mammoth from the Smithsonian Institute, a phone holder, or any other kind of custom, if you're looking for an animal cell or a DNA helix or a skull or teeth, a lot of these have already been either scanned in digitally or already designed. You can get them for free. It's literally download and print, very easy. For me, as a teacher, these are great manipulatives for the classroom. There's a little ton of math, counting, money manipulatives that are available out there. This is also a great starting point for beginning users. So to take that phone stand and then customize it to your phone, to hold the cables, to really make it your own. And I think for teachers to just download and print things is okay. For kids, I really want to see them modifying and remixing the objects. And then we have GradCAD. A lot of CAD models out there as well. Now, just a reminder, Thingiverse, GrabCAD are I would say, PG-13. So there is some content on those sites that is not school appropriate. Coming down to the design software, this is where you're either customizing one of those objects you got before, or if you're building one from scratch. Tinkercad has a really nice tutorial that really walks you through the beginning parts of 3D design and how to think about objects in 3 dimensions. Following that is Google SketchUp, again, a free program. This is a little more geared more for architecture, mechanical engineering, but still has a lot of really exciting applications. And then Fusion 360, this is where you get into much more of a professional grade modeling tool. So most people are going to start either at Tinkercad or SketchUp, and that's definitely a good place to begin. Coming down, now right now these are not linked because I have yet to upload these videos to YouTube, but all the videos will be available on a YouTube playlist as well as linked here. So the intro and unboxing, the Z offset, using the Cura software, getting the files from the computer to the printer. We recommend a USB stick. Removing filament for packing up and then packing up the printer. Provided a little flowchart with the pictures, and then right down here, a lot of the resources actually in this guide came from a presentation from Jason Mamano and Catherine Leatherman. They presented at ISTE last year. They have graciously allowed this presentation to be remixed. And so we've done this with permission. I talked to Jason. He gave me permission. So we are sharing this, and then what I did, I remixed their slides, I removed some slides, I kept a lot of the content, but this really kind of goes into what the 3D process is. They talk about some of the examples that you can get, so here's some of the math manipulatives I was talking about. So a really nice presentation they put together. If you have other questions or comments, please leave them down below. Thanks, guys.